Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So this is yet another factorization problem before you, and this is x to the power 16 minus y to the power 16, and how do we crack this and lower down this to their simplest factors. Okay, so the first step in solution has already been done over here, because for x to the power 16, can we not write x to the power 8 squared up and y to the power 8 once again squared up? Why do we do this? As per the laws of exponents, we know that when we multiply these two exponents powers, x8 into 2 gives me the result 16, and so does here 8 into 2 is 16. So we can do this. Now since we have resolved this to the identity a square minus b square, so which is equal to a minus b and a plus b, isn't it? So since we have the difference of two squares here, so we have to break this down similarly. Alright, so how do we go? So let's do it. So we'll have the next step, x to the power 8 minus y to the power 8, 1 minus and 1 plus. Alright, understood? Done? Simple? What next? What do we do to this? X to the power 8 minus y to the power 8, okay, can be further expanded. How? Let me show you. Alright, just the way we did this, 8 into 2 was 16. So can we not write again 4 into 2, which is x to the power 4, 2 outside, y to the power 4 and 2 outside. This is going to drop down, okay, the way it is. Alright, so once again we have the same identity to use here, which is x to the power 4 to the power 2. So which means we have a square and b square. Alright, so once again we break this down as x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 and x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, and this will come down, okay, to sit next to this. Alright, are you getting it? Now here this can be further, okay, lowered down, as once again we'll have 2 inside and 2 outside for this. 2 into 2 is x to the power 4, and 2 inside here and 2 outside in this. So we have x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 to be copied down, okay, the way it is. Got it? Simple. What next? Right, you know that we already have the same a square minus b square, and using this identity we resolve this to get x square minus y square and x square plus y square, and this is going to be copied down the way it is. Since we have a plus sign over here, we do not have identities to crack these all. Alright, so now we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. We need 5 factors, okay, resolve to 5 factors. So can we not break this into 2? Of course we can, because this is a square minus b square, so which means a minus b and a plus b, and here we simply copy them. Okay, so this happens to be your answer. Got it? The final answer. So if I have to reinforce this, I would say that do not get baffled or confused by seeing such large powers, because I'm getting the next one, which will have x to the power 18 minus y to the power 18. Okay, so that we'll see how we can crack. Which identity will be used in that case. Alright, now remember, so we can write x to the power 8 multiplied by 2. Exponents get multiplied. Supposing we have, say, x to the power m and outside n, so we can write as x to the power mn. M into n. The same thing we did over here, 8 into 2, which is m into n. 8 into 2 is 16. Alright, so we use this law of exponents to serve our purpose. Again we broke up this one. How? Again 4 into 2. This is our m and this is our n, and 4 into 2 was equal to 8. Therefore we change this form into finding a squared minus b squared. This is our a and this is our b. Alright, and this remains fixed. Okay, so we bring it down. This gets broken up into two parts, x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4, and x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Why so? Because we have a minus b and a plus b. This is our a plus b. Now this can be further crumbled down to x to the power 2 to the power 2. Okay, so 2 into 2 is 4 and 2 into 2 is 4. So this one is broken or reformed as this, which will be further broken down into these two parts. Alright, in the next step. And here this is to be copied, simply copied. Alright guys. Now this one, once again, this is very straightforward, very clear in appearance. So a square minus b square is equal to a minus b plus b. So in terms of x and y, you write like this. So these are our 5 factors for factorizing x to the power 16 minus y to the power 16. So the next question in the next video, next question for factorization, well, that is a bit different, will be, so do watch that, which is coming soon after uploading this. Alright guys, so thank you for giving me your valuable time, and bye bye for now. So looking forward to bringing this very soon. Alright guys, so thanks once again for giving me an opportunity to explain this stuff. Bye bye. Thank you so much.